Intercalated disc is also known as line of Ebert. So normally a cardiac muscle is formed by muscle cells known as cardiomyocytes. These cardiomyocytes are connected with each other by a junctional complex known as intercalated disc. Intercalated disc helps the cardiomyocytes to function as a single unit, a single functional syncytium. It also helps in synchronized contraction of cardiac tissue. Diagram depicts, you can see this is one cardiomyocyte and this is the other cardiomyocyte, and this is intercellular space between the two cardiomyocytes. So the plasma membrane of the cardiomyocyte can be seen in this diagram. So the space between the two plasma membranes is forming a cell junctional complex here, and it is known as intercalated disc. So this intercalated disc is nothing but a complex structure that connects the adjacent cardiac muscle cells, and three types of cell junctions make the intercalated disc. So which are those three junctions? First is the desmosome. This is the desmosome. Other is fascia adherens, and the third one is gap junction. So here this is the desmosome. You can see the inner aspect of the cell towards the cytoplasm. The plasma membrane is thickened to form the plaques, from where you can see the keratin or intermediate fibers are connected to the cytoskeleton, whereas the cadherin proteins, they cross the cell membrane from one side to the other side, or they cross from one cell to the adjacent cell. So this is forming desmosome. Desmosome prevents separation during contraction by binding with the intermediate filaments and anchoring the cell membrane to intermediate filament network, joining the cells together. Then the second junctional complex is fascia adherens. So the fascia adherens are anchoring sites for actin, and they connect to the closest sarcomere. The third junction complex, or the cell junction, is the gap junction. So here we can see connexons and there are spaces in between. So the gap junction allows cytoplasm of adjacent cells to move. So the cardiac action potentials can spread from one cell to the other. It also permeates passage of ions between the cells, and it causes cardiac depolarization. So all these junctions work as a single unit, which is known as area composita. So this is the structure of intercalated disc, which is nothing but a complex cell junction present between the two cardiac myocytes formed by desmosomes, fascia adherens, and gap junction. Histologically, the intercalated disc appears as thin dark lines present between the adjacent cardiac muscle cell. These lines are perpendicular to the direction of muscle fibers. If there is any mutation in intercalated disc gene, it is responsible for cardiomyopathies. In the histological slide, if we see ruptured intercalated disc, it suggests either there is artifact or there is pathology like ventricular fibrillation or other injuries due to forceful myocardial contraction. There can be rupture of intercalated disc.